Guys, ngigcoke kahle namhlanje nePattington ngishithela isithombe mangifike emsebenzini. Ngifuna ukushare nje this quick testimony with you ukuthi uNkulunkulu mase kuyisikhathi uzoyenza into yenzeke guys. 10 years later sengiqedile isikolo, ngizama into yesikolo ingangisebenzeli. Sengibukele wonke umuntu oseduze nama graduate, sengitshelwe the way ngingazimiselanga ngakhona. Ngelinye ilanga I had a dream where my paternal grandmother was giving me 1,000 rand yama 200 wathi ngikhabonina khamba ukuthenga impahla yesikolweni. And then out of excitement I woke up ngayo apply ikolo and it still did not work out. 2 years after the dream, a friend of mine angithumelele i-screenshot saku WhatsApp asithathe komunye umuntu naye athumele i-screenshot esibhalwe microbotics. Mina because at that time bengi concerned nge makeup, I'm thinking in microblading. So it was a learnership at that time. Ngi applyele mina ngithi microblading. Hawungelanga le interview sengibiziwe phela for i-interview. Sengiseteksini ePitori. Hawu mangithi microbotics kuthi kimi checka ukuthi microbotics uminani. Hey, mangicheka izinto zabo IT zabo coding zabo Python programming ngithi imihlolo yami angenzanga ne science mina esikolweni ngiyi commercial student. Fast forward ngifike lapho kulelo room lelo, I'm not prepared, I'm panicking. This lady athi kimi ngena ngapha ngene athi kimi unjani ngithi ngiyaphila. Athi I've noticed ukuthi ko wonke ama students wami wena uyi student sami sine commerce, do you think uzocope mara? Ngithi mina iyangizocope. Wathi kimi okay ngizoku-add ku list yami. Net so that was my interview. Wathi kimi okay ngizoku-add ku list and then we will call you back. Ngibuyele lokishini, mangibuyele lokishini ifone iphuke. Phone iphukile bazama ukungifonela laba abantu abangitholi. He bathu omunye friend yami angiboleke ifone yakhe awayenayo enye ebusiphukele nayo but yona beyisebenza. Ngimangithi ngene kuma email kulabantu kudala bangifuna. Mase ngibafonela bathi kimi we found a replacement. Ngithi mina oh okay. Hey ngibuyele endlini ngihlale. 2 days after ngibafonelile kufoni receptionist yakhona ithi lo muntu besimfonile ukuthi azokureplace uhambile uthi akakhona ukucope. Buya mangabe uzokhona ukcatch up for le 2 weeks oyimisile. Hey. Yo, hey. I went mangifika ku account yami, I remember ngane 120 rand 2021 ngasikhathi it was post covid. Ngine 120 rand yokufika ePitori nokubuya. Ngifike kuduma upotiyana ngazi nokuthi kwenzakalani. Sifika ke si-attend lelo class lelo good 8 hours sihleli. Siya attenda sithatha ama breaks siyalona. Hawu mang sahleli lapho nginalento ukuthi sasa ngiyobuya ngani. The Holy Spirit guys ukhona uNkulunkulu athi kimi checka lento yesasa ngani applyele last year bang reject. Umakhelwane wami futhi akusumakhelwane wami isihlobo sasekhaya but uhlala la ngasekhaya. Wathi kimi applyele appeal. Nga-applyele appeal and I never paid attention to it anymore. It's the following year ngicheck lento yesasa mangicheck ngithola like kune notification ethi go to your nearest post office. Ngifuna ipost office khona lapho ngase Mainline. Funi post office ngiyithole mangifika ku empty back sentamba makwabo past 3. Phela kusahlaliseki naseklasini because anginamali yokubuya kusasa. Mangifika lapho lo bhuti lo angicheckela athi kimi lethi ID ngimnike ID. Mangichecka athi kimi sisi una 4,000 something angisakhumbula ku 4,000 malini. Yo ngikhumbula guys ngaguqa ngamadolo. I cried. Yo guys uNkulunkulu kudala angithwala. Ngakhala because that money yayizongithwala isikhathi eside kabi. I remember the next day sithola umunye umfana la lokishini osebenza ePitori athi kimi yazini nizongaya ama 1.5 ngayithatha leyo mali ngayifaka eaccountini yami because ngamnika 1.5 yenyanga yonke ngamnikeza 1.5 yenyanga elandelayo sekuvuleka nama gig manje we makeup so that ngikhona uku-attend le learnership ngize ngicede because yayingana stipend. Guys, after that ngathola ibazari. After leyo learnership leyo I did so well. Yazi into mawuyazi ukuthi ithole ngomusa kaNkulunkulu. Basibiza futhi for another interview and yimo mdala lapho. Ngisho phela iminyaka 8 ihambile. Hey, basibiza I did so well. Lo mlungu wale ya company engiyibize igamba wathi kimi sizokubhadalela. But unfortunately ngesikhona ukuthi wena sikuthatha ukuthi usebenza nathi because i-age sehambile but uzoyithola i-qualification. Guys, ngathi anginandaba sengifuna ukufunda. Ngafunda. I didn't pay a cent. Yo guys uNkulunkulu nina.
Sebengelela nganza kwethu kule channel yethu hamba phambili umgosi wenganza kwethu ithemba ke alibulali lona wesifazane uzama ukuveza nje ukuthi uNkulunkulu nje uhlangule, ungenamcabango, ungenazo noma ungenama-qualification aleyo nto, but avele akuthwale. So nje ngani zakwethu-ke lana kukhuluma indaba enkulu ukuthi ithemba ungalilahli. Nawe kusangenzeka noma yini kuwena. Mina-ke nawe ngicela sihlangane kwividiyo elandelayo, phinde sihlangane kwi-comment section sizwe uvo lwakho ukuthi wena uthini ngoNkulunkulu othwalanayo.